Now, as a follow-up to that report, the leaders of South Korea and China also touched upon other issues during their talks, including the U.S. China row over 5G technology, as well as the U.S. missile defense system that is deployed here in South Korea. According to the spokesperson for the Blue House, President Xi raised the THAAD issue and asked President Moon to resolve the problem that China has opposed from the get-go. To that, Mr. Moon said the THAAD deployment is closely linked to denuclearization. The two saw eye to eye on the benefits of open and multilateral trade. President Xi emphasized that it not only benefits both sides, but also the international community, stressing the importance of close coordination under this principle. The two leaders also exchanged views on environmental issues, including fine dust. President Xi said China is already making 10 times the effort to protect the environment, but vowed to do more. President Moon also called for joint efforts to tackle the fine dust issue, especially as China acquires the necessary experience and technology.